Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. You are watching Tamil Nadu Student Tips. In this video, we are going to see a story. In the 10th standard student, listen carefully. This is supplementary. Let's go to the video. To do a good thing, you do not have to wait to grow up. You can do great things at a very young age. If you want to help others, you will always find an opportunity to do so. This is an introduction of the story. At a moment, you can do something to help your friends, parents, or even strangers also. You do not need money, but a good heart to help others. Here is the true story of a boy called Hans. The story is called The Little Hero of Holland. He is a very good boy. Hans was a young schoolboy. He lived with his parents in a small village in Holland. The story is written by Mary Mapps Dodge. He was a hardworking and working son of his parents. He used to help his parents at home. One day he was returning from his school. The way to school was near the sea wall. Suddenly he heard a sound of trickle of water nearby. He became alert because that sea wall is very important for that village. People in Holland were always cautious about any possible seepage in the sea wall. Hans moved towards the sound and found a trickle of water coming through a small hole. He knew the pressure of seawater would make the hole bigger in no time. He didn't know what to do. He wanted to send the message to his village people. Meanwhile, the hole was becoming bigger and bigger, and the seawater was gushing out. He inserted his whole hand into the hole to plunge it. It worked and the flow of water stopped. It had already become dark. He called somebody, but nobody happened to pass by through that way. The whole night passed and Hans did not see anyone who could help him. The whole night he spent on the sea wall. But his firm determination to save his village from a disaster kept him in his place. By morning, his body had become stiff with the cold and he had fainted. In the early morning, a workman saw Hans lying unconscious with his right hand in the hole in the sea wall. He understood that Hans was trying to stop the flow of water. He first took out Hans' hand from the hole and filled up the hole with stones and then carried Hans in his arms to his home. Hans lay in bed for several days, and when he recovered, he cried out in a feeble voice, "Please God, send someone to help me. I can't leave this place." Don't worry, my brave little boy. The sea wall has been repaired. In another few weeks, Hans recovered completely. He became the hero of his village. So this is the topic, the little hero of Holland. The people of that village came and thanked Hans. You risked your life to save our village. We shall never forget this. So this is the story of Little Hero of Holland. Thanks for watching.